makeover because look at this. It's breakable. It's like really breakable. So yeah. You might do a lot of makeovers. I don't know. But it's not that good for bubble pop. And yeah. Okay. So, what we're going to add is some lotion, some coconut milk, and vitamin E! Okay, so it's working, guys. You might change the color too. Not nothing. Maybe not. Because it's really pretty. This isn't working! The makeover is not working? But, guess what? You should totally, when the colors come out, you should watch it. Because they're my best friends. And they were actually on my YouTube channel once. Like, you can see that it can barely stretch like this. I don't know what I should add. Comment below what I should have at the end of this vlog. I'm barely stretching it. That's why it's so stretchy. But if I do it like really hard, like look. It's pretty squishy. It's really squishy. Good. So I think I'm gonna give this a success. Even though it's not that squishy. But it's really squishy. It's kinda good for bubble pop. So that's the end of the vlog for today, but I'll make more videos tomorrow and maybe more today. I don't know. Let's see you. Bye.